This thing is like a moving stairs, consisting of many metal steps attached to a continuously circulating belt. These metal steps are linked together by chain. Only one step, upon the first step, it moves up or down. It also has a moving hand, which moves with the steps. It might be for safety. This incredible thing carried a lot of people at the same time and take them from one floor to another without moving in your place.
This small red tube is made of metal. On the top it has a black handle. This thing's like a small tank. When you press the black handle, a white stuff like liquid comes out from these nozzles, which is made of the plastics. It usually sinks in the public place. I think it's using for putting out the fire.
This is a black-gray machine with flower designed on it. It's an amazing machine which can be seen in many places like public and office and hospitals. I think it's work like refrigerator. By looking at this, you see this plastic bottle that stand on the gray body, contain water, but it's now empty. By looking at the front of the machine, you see this three things. The first one is tell you if the machine is turned on or turned off. The second one is tell you if the water is cold or not. The third one is tell you if the water is hot or not. By getting closer to the machine, you see two doors. When you open the first one, you see two buttons with two different colors, blue and red. When you press in the blue one, it brings you cold water into a glass. The second one, when you press it, it brings you hot water into a glass. The second door, when you open it, you see it's work like a small refrigerator, so you can put things in it and get cold and drink it later. This cable that I'm not sure about, but I think this comes from the back of the machine. And I think the machine is worked by electricity. But it's now turned off.